A quick vegetarian dinner now during pumpkin season. Hokkaido, pasta and cream sauce. Welcome to CALLEkocht. Action. And action. Oh, that's delicious. Yesterday we had pumpkin soup, and there was this little leftover friend, and I thought, what can we do with it? For that, I have 200 grams of these lovely butterfly pasta, also known as farfalle, 200 milliliters of cream, 1 onion for seasoning, a bit of curry, a bit of turmeric to start, olive oil, and of course, half of the Hokkaido. It's been washed and the skin stays on. And now we're going to cut it. First, I'm going to cut it into wedges, and then I'll cut them into not too wide sticks, about like this. We're going to do that with the whole half. So, the reason for cutting the Hokkaido pumpkin into small pieces is that we're going to puree half of it later, and the other half is meant to stay as chunks in the pasta. That looks pretty good already. We can get started. We've already put some water on to boil, lightly salted. So, we can just throw the pasta in there because we're moving so quickly with our pumpkin sauce that we can cook them at the same time. Oil in the pan, and we're going to sweat the onions in there first. So, now as I said, add the onions and just sweat them a little. And as always, we season it with salt and pepper. And when they are translucent, we can add our pumpkin. So, when the Hokkaido is already a bit softened, we'll help it out with a little pasta water. 2 spoons are already more than enough, because what we don't want is for this to stick. But the pumpkin should at least be nicely softened. But you can already see it's getting creamy here. 2 minutes and then we can take it out. So the pumpkin is done. Now we're adding our curry powder at the last moment, because it needs to be lightly toasted as well. Just like turmeric, for the color, for the flavor. Just stir everything a bit here to warm it up. Then you don't have such a tough texture, so you don't have a dull taste on your tongue. A little warmth is good here. We're taking half of this mixture out into a measuring cup, and we'll leave the rest in the pan. But now we turn the pan down to the lowest setting. Here we add our cream. Got it. And now we're going to puree it. That's going to be our sauce. Well, I've turned up the heat under this pan again, and now we're adding our blended pumpkin sauce. And so, I not only have absolutely delicious and creamy sauce, but I also have incredibly fresh and tender pumpkin pieces for my pasta that we'll notice in our pasta. Look, and it has already thickened up nicely on its own. Now we're putting our pasta on top. So look, the cream is warm again. And these little pieces here not only add color, but they also serve as a filling for our pasta. Speaking of pasta, they're done now, and we're taking them out and directly dropping them, dripping wet, into our pumpkin sauce. Is there anything nicer than a big bowl of hot pasta on the table? I don't think so. Let's give it a try. The color is definitely amazing. And the taste, especially the creaminess, is really great. Best fall meal. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I just wish you all a lot of fun trying this recipe at home. Bye. See you soon, your color. Greetings from Hamburg. Bye. You send.